Hi friends, welcome to a new video. In this video we will show you how to make some drawings and good wall decorations using clay and paper. So here I have taken clay to make the face of a pig, and let us draw some small things onto it. Yes, good to go. We will add some sun and flowers are spread on the ground. Here blue background is there. Along with that we have a green bottom surface. Then we will take the bottle caps and on that we can draw some faces of rabbits. Then other things can be added like clouds and sun. Next, let us draw a face with circle, then a smiling face is added. Then we can add some curly hairs, and these curly hairs can be made using paper which is curled like the backside of a snail. Then let us take a leaf. With this leaf we can make some good things. So I have cut it in different shapes, so carefully observe the shape of this. We should cut the leaves in this specific shape only. Then some papers are cut which will make the eyes and the beaks of this owl family. These are owls. That's all in this video. Thank you for watching.